Hello everyone, I thought you might enjoy this video. This is my storage cupboard. Fuck off, chair. Paragram. Right there. I'm fucking back! Sorry it took that long. This is my storage unit. This is my Christmas. 3 balloons. I don't know where to put them, so I just left them up there. Fucking Christmas. It's my Christmas jumper, that is. Yep, my Christmas jumper. You can't really see it. Fucking move. Christmas jumper. I left that in there because it's the Christmas jumper. It's just shoved in the corner there. I might turn it around so I can see it. Fucking cunt. Whoa!
Mommy wants you.
Oh, what does she want? Whoa! Oh my god, man, I'm busy recording.
Look at that one.
I'm busy recording, like, I'm busy, man. Yeah, for me. Sorry if it's taking a long video. Oh yeah, and the white one, what was the white box, is for the snowman and the glitter snowballs. And the red one is for the Santa ones that I had. Then I got 3 window silhouette, battery operated. Fucking move! Sorry for my language. 3 window silhouettes. Well, sorry, because I'm cool. For a start, I am absolutely cool. Yep. You see? One more balloon. One's with a motorbike. Santa Claus riding a motorbike. I put this one in the middle because it said Merry Christmas. Oh my! I bought balloons. They're old now, so They're going down. Oh! I think that's it. You probably wanted to know at the end. It's my charging thing. Get it charged. It's only 15%, so 6-inch disco ball. There's not actually a 6-inch disco ball in this. Some old Christmas trimmings in there. I won't show you all of it. Show you the box. The 15 colour changed lights. I think these are them. These blue one, the blue colour is for these. And then they then packets. And I got 2 boxes like that. One of them outside, and then the 3 ones. And then I got a mini version of one of them. And you probably might have seen these around YouTube. And there's a snowman. He's saying it's a 2002 snowman. Jimmy Master Animatronics has got one, if you know him. Yeah, in the box back. Get ready. It's one of these. He's in there because he's just in there. Can't be honest, take him out. He's staying in there. I actually got 2 more singing things. I bought this one today. Bye.